Hello, this is Mesos Orum, and welcome to Understanding S.F.M.L. Today, we'll be learning about rectangles. Rectangles come with two sets of inputs. The first set of inputs is the position of the top left corner of the rectangle. The second set of inputs is the size of the rectangle. We may declare a rectangle variable with two vectors inside of a parentheses separated by a comma. Or we may cast a rectangle variable in the same manner. We may also set a rectangle variable in the same manner, except inside of curly braces. Know that float rectangle will only work with floats, so those must be the inputs. Int rectangle works in the same manner as float rectangle, except that it only takes in int types. The rectangle function getCenter will return the exact center point of the rectangle. If we open the debug menu, we will see that rectangle 0's center point is at 4.75 by 6.95. The rectangle function findIntersection checks whether any point of the input rectangle is within the rectangle itself. If we open the debug menu, we can see that these two rectangles are intersecting. The rectangle function contains checks whether a point is within a rectangle. And if we open the debug menu, we can see that this point is within the rectangle. Thank you for joining me today. If you did, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.